We're going to explain how to secure a Spring Boot API using API keys and secrets. 1. First, we need to create a data structure to hold our API keys. This will likely be a simple class with fields for the key, secret, and potentially other metadata like the associated user or application. We'll store these keys in a database, perhaps using Spring Data JPA or a similar persistence mechanism. 2. Next, we need a mechanism for generating these keys. We can use a library to generate cryptographically secure random strings for the key and secret, ensuring they are sufficiently long and complex to resist brute force attacks. 3. Now we'll add API key authentication to our Spring Boot application. We'll use a Spring security filter, intercepting requests before they reach our controllers. This filter will examine the request headers for our API key and secret. 4. The filter will retrieve the key from the header, using something like authorization, bearer API key, API secret. 5. It then needs to query our database to verify if the key and secret are a valid pair. 6. If the keys are validated, the filter should allow the request to proceed. Otherwise, it should return a 401 unauthorized response. 7. To handle the database interaction cleanly, it's good practice to create a service or repository layer. This abstracts away the database access details from our filter, improving code organization and testability. 8. Remember to handle potential exceptions such as database connection errors or invalid key formats gracefully. Return appropriate error codes and messages to the client. 9. For added security, consider strategies like rate limiting to prevent brute force attacks where someone tries numerous keys and secrets. 10. We might also want to include token expiry and refresh mechanisms, allowing keys to be rotated periodically for enhanced security. 11. Also, it's important to store the API keys securely. Never hardcode them directly into your application. Using environment variables or a secrets management solution is best. 12. Finally, rigorous testing is crucial, covering successful authentication, unsuccessful authentication attempts with various error scenarios, and the exception handling logic. This complete process ensures that your Spring Boot API is adequately protected using API keys and secrets.